We're getting ready to make Alfajorcitos phase 2. We're making alfajorcitos, which are very typical in South America, and they bring a lot of smiles. And it's perfect for this rainy day. We're making them gluten-free. Oh yeah, baby. So we're gonna start with 5 tablespoons of butter. A fourth cup of almond flour, but today clearly I don't have enough, so I will have to mix it with another cup, with another flour, probably adding more oats. Doop, 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 doop. Okay, we'll add a little bit. We'll top it with oat flour. Okay, oat flour, and a fourth cup of oat flour. But remember, it's a fourth of almond flour and a fourth of oat flour. And then, my friends, my beautiful people, beautiful ladies, beautiful girls, we're adding half a cup of cornstarch. And we're doing a half a cup. These are in Spanish they're called alfajorcitos de maicena. So a half a cup here. Yep. There we go. Now, my personal addition, I like to add cinnamon. It's not required, but I like cinnamon. Good amount of cinnamon. Then we're adding a little bit of sugar. You can add honey, maple syrup, whatever is your preference. Even like xylitol, erythritol, whatever you want. Around a tablespoon of sugar. Not a lot, because we're gonna mix them with dulce de leche inside that we made. Our crockpot dulce de leche experiment. Just a pinch of salt and get working. That's all I can say. We're gonna get working. I'm gonna start mixing. This is actually very relaxing. Very relaxing. We're gonna form a dough. Probably I'm gonna fast forward this step. Oh, the oat flour, I just grind it. You can make your own alternative flours by just grinding them in a coffee grinder. Work in the butter, break the butter, and then we're gonna let this beautiful dough rest for 30 minutes in the fridge. Okay, see, basically that's how it goes. Okay, I have not tried with any other flours like coconut flour, tiger nut, any of those, but if you try and I'm still around, let me know. Yeah, okay, beautiful guy. I'm gonna flatten it, and it goes into the fridge for about 30 minutes or more. We're getting ready to make Alfajorcitos phase 2. Oh yeah, a shot glass. There we go. And now my rolling pin, which I'm not very fond of. Okay, a little bit of cornstarch. I'll make sure to have a tray, a baking sheet with some parchment paper lined up, and preheat the oven to 350. I don't know why, but you try to make this neat and organized, and it's always a mess. Okay, let's open up here. Make sure you get some love to your rolling pin. Oh no, that didn't come out right. Okay, and this is our baby here. Okay, can you see okay? Have patience, and if you need a little bit extra cornstarch, go for it. There's no right or wrong here. Okay, and when you arrive to your desired thickness, because think that you're gonna be making 2 discs, and they're gonna fill with dulce de leche, so you don't want them too thick. This guy, I'm gonna give some love. Probably gonna need a knife or a fork. Let's see. Okay. Let's see if it comes out. Yes! This is a great thickness. You will want it really crunchy. Working with what you have at home. That's the name of the game. Fail! See if we can fix it. Don't worry if it doesn't come out perfect. I don't like perfection. Perfection is boring. Perfection is stressful. And most of all, perfection does not exist. And also perfection prevents you from going further. It's a trap. Don't fall for it, babies. All right, we rearrange this baby and we do it one more time with patience and love. Maybe some singing too. Okay. Into the unknown. Yeah, we're in the frozen craze here too. Here too. So it doesn't get stuck. Alright, and we do it all over again. Love and patience. Sorry, I keep crushing. These guys are going into the oven for, let's do 10 minutes, not 20. Let's do 10, check, and see if we need to add more. It's been 10 minutes, and I'm gonna leave them 10 more minutes. I feel like the dramatic music that Brace is playing at the moment is perfect because I burned them, guys. I decided to broil them, and then, you know, this guy flipped over. But I decided it was a great idea to broil them, and then I went to make tea, and then I forgot about them, and this is the outcome. We're still gonna eat them. Ooh, you know what we can do? Actually, I think we should flip them, and then the inside that's a little bit burnt, we just put them in the inside, filled with the leche, and nobody would notice. That's how you get away with burnt cookies. Time of the truth. I don't know how many of these guys will be able to assemble, but okay, so we have here homemade dulce de leche, and we have coconut flakes. Can I do it too? Not really, because these guys, we had a little bit of trouble with these guys. Go. Okay. This is gonna be a very delicate. Wait, it was dulce de leche? Yeah, we're gonna put dulce de leche because I a little bit overcooked these guys. But we can do it. We can do it. Okay. You put the other one and then you gently press. Very gentle. And then we just put coconut on the sides. Another one that squeeze it. And because they don't have regular flour, they are even more delicate. But I think we're able, we'll be good. Key here is to put a nice dollop on the middle. Get the top and gently press. Very gently, gently, gently. And then you go here and we add. Oh, it's time to take out the pizza. Pizza? Yeah, I'm also making pizza. Still with me? We got it. We got it. Nice dollop. Yeah, I can feel it break it underneath. So if you're going to present it to people, then I would say, obviously, if they're not burned, we will have no problems whatsoever. But I can feel them break underneath my hand. That's okay. We got this. I don't know how many times I saw. It's another I'm trying to convince myself that we got this. See, this one broke right in the middle. What about if I don't put it in my hand and we work on the cookie sheet? Maybe that will work too. See, it's also about figuring out on the go what works and what doesn't work. Okay? I think this one is working much better. Like this. this is going to the fail experiments. Still gonna taste good, but this is obviously not the result that I wanted. And I will have my revenge. I will have my revenge. We'll have to test it. I'm gonna do a revenge on this. This is gonna taste. I mean, these are gonna look better next time. But we're gonna ask the girls what they think. I think they're gonna love it.
So I tried these that Mommy made. Well, they're breaky.
Yes, we got the okay.
Wait, is this coconut or?
Yeah, it's coconut.
Oh. 9.
A 9. Well, that's a good one. Do you like them? You don't look very impressed.
The coconut.
You don't like the coconut?
No.
No.
So mine so it's 9. Oh, it smells good.
That's really good.
Mommy.
I have to show also. I did all the work and. Oh, phenomenal! This is so good.
Into the no.